In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Slack user group. If you need to message several teammates at once without making a full channel, a group direct message is perfect. We'll walk through how to start that conversation so everyone gets the same information at the same time, all in just a few clicks. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Slack. Then click the official Slack website from the results to open Slack in your browser. If you already use the Slack desktop app, you can open that instead. The steps are the same. Either way, make sure you're signed into the right workspace so you're adding the correct people. Once Slack loads, look to the left-hand sidebar. This is where your channels and direct messages appear. We'll build the group from the direct messages area. In the sidebar, locate direct messages and click it if it's collapsed so you can see the section. Next, click the small plus sign beside direct messages to start a new message. A new window or pane opens with a To field at the top. Click into the To field and start typing the names of the members you want in your group. As you type, Slack will suggest people. Select each person to add them. Continue until you've included everyone you want in the conversation. This creates a focused group without the formality of a new channel. Now move down to the message box and type your message. Keep it clear and specific. Briefly explain the purpose of the thread, what you need, and any relevant context or link. This first message matters, because sending it is what actually creates the group DM. When everything looks good, click Send. As soon as you send, Slack creates a new group conversation with the people you added, and your message appears as the first post. You'll see this group listed under direct messages, ready for quick follow-ups whenever you need them. That's it. By going to Slack, opening direct messages, clicking the plus sign, adding your members in the To field, typing your message, and clicking Send, you've created a Slack user group. Use this approach whenever you need to coordinate fast, share updates with a small set of teammates, or keep a short-term discussion contained. Thanks for watching, and now you're ready to create your own Slack group DM with confidence.